Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will discover the proper pronunciation of the word undigested. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The patient's stomach was full of undigested food when they arrived at the hospital. Undigested means that food has not been broken down or processed by the body's digestive system, remaining in its original form. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.